the Film Academy of the Philippines, and the Katipunan ng mga artistang Pilipino sa pelikula at telebisyon, in cooperation with Airtime Marketing Philippines Incorporated, proudly present Star Olympics 2002.
Hello everyone! This is the moment! Today is the day to find out who will finally reap the awards in the grueling Star Olympics 2002. Our stars are really giving their all to each tightly contested event. Parang do or die. Eh, alam nyo, ganyan talaga ang attitude nila when it comes to sports, and they still manage to look pretty and glamorous. Even if they're hot and tired after all the effort. Ganyan talaga ang Star Olympics. All hard-hitting action, pero glamorous at star-studded pa rin. Add to that, the great camaraderie among the celebrities. So, I won't keep you waiting. Let's take the Star Olympics 2002 to the finish!
Dito po tayo sa aksyon ng junior competition dito po sa Star Olympics 2002. Ako po si Bob Novales, kasama ngayon si Butch Maniego at itong junior game partner, just to orient you. Ang kategorya nito, yung hindi makakalaro sa senior, nasa junior.
Ganun ba?
Oo.
Kala ko may age limit or baka height limit pa nga. Pero iba-iba naman. Makita mo natin, may mga matatangkad na player din dito sa junior basketball competition itong Star Olympics.
The only difference being ibang format nito. Ay, well, not exactly, yung game format lang.
Okay.
Mas maigsi yung laro, half-half lang to, 15-minute halves. Tapos sa running time to, except yung last 5 minutes ng laro. Welcome to the coverage.
Okay, at maraming salamat, Bob, no? I believe this is the first basketball game I'm actually doing this year. Sa Star Olympics.
Kahit hindi, no?
Oo.
Oo nga, no? Okay.
And we have a fast break.
Salaksak at pasok.
Nice drive to the basket. That was Nico Sandoval.
Kasama niya sa loob, yan si Lester Moreno, number 45. Tapos yung numero 2. Hindi ko ba? Yan, si John Fox. At si Joshua Zamora also in para dito sa snap.
Nagkaroon sila ng mga laro previous to today, no? Kaya na-determine na sila yung maglalaban dito siya for 5th place.
Actually, the Star Olympics had 2 play dates para din sa basketball. Nung una nung Sabado, tapos Wednesday, sometime in the middle of the week, nagkita rin itong minuto just to determine kung sino maglalaban sa championship, sino maglalaban sa 3rd place, na makikita rin ang ating mga manonood.
Baba! 3-point play in reverse by Lactum Red, giving them the lead. Magandang jump shot yun mula kay Christopher Enova. At naibalik niya ang lamang sa snack green. Ngayon tingnan natin, no? Napapansin natin, halos hindi naman masyadong matatangkad yung mga players natin dito sa larong ito. With the exception of number 21 dito sa Lactum Red, ito si Jet Alcantara. Tingnan natin kung mapagsasamantalahan ng Lactum Red yung meron silang matangkad na player. Stands maybe about 6'2".
Isang drive. Sumasalaksak na si Jancy Borjal. At hindi pumasok yun. Isang agaw. Borjal din yung ako bola. Makes his way towards the other side. Sasalaksak yung numero 21, Christopher Enova. At dito. Meanwhile, nasa loob para sa Lactum Red si James Blanco, Jet Alcantara, Lanvin Lirio, Jason Buenaventura, at mukhang si Brian Martin ang kumukompleto ng lineup.
So, partner, siyempre, pagdating sa showbiz, ikaw ang pagkakatiwala ako. Dahil, alam ko, namamalagi ka sa mga full-time show.
Ang sagot dun wala lang. Get used to it, partner. Masasabi.
A turnover once again by Lactum Red.
It goes over sa numero 0, Jancy Borjal.
And there's gonna be a turnover. Alam mo, siyempre, no? Masasabi natin all-star game ito dahil mga stars yung naglalaro, no? At alam mo, ang hinahanap ko sa ganitong klaseng laro yung kung merong mag-stand out, somebody who can take control and really knows how to play. Because by and large, every Filipino male knows how to play basketball. Lahat naman marunong mag-basketball eh. Ang tanong na lang eh, may kilos o galaw ba? At itong si Jet Alcantara, right now, number 21 ng Lactum Red, so far, yung mga kilos niya sa ilalim, angat siya dito sa kanyang mga kalaban.
At yung pagkakaangat niya dyan sa replay, ay mapapansin nyo nga. Good point partner at si Jet Alcantara is the one you're looking at dito sa free throw line. Bonus free throw ito.
And one situation na kompleto. And a 2-point lead for Lactum Red. 5 of the 6 points ng Lactum Red nung mula kay Jet Alcantara.
10 minuto na titira sa first half. The drive does not produce. Isang follow-up pa. Numero 21. Genova, wala.
And there's Alcantara for the rebound.
Matapos ang jump ball, ito na ang Lactum Red in possession. Nasa 9-minute mark tayo, 9.5 dito po sa first half. Play for free.
Pass by James Blanco. Telegraph. Pero alam mo ito si Blanco na
Skill na dinevelop ito kay Van.
We'd like to acknowledge the presence of
Naagaw. At you will by here and there notice the voice.
The crowd was very wild. And nanumbalik na naman sila sa kanilang pagkakatulog.
Exactly.
Ito ang kinaganda nito.
Fast break para sa Lactum Red. Brian Martin
there was a foul.
gets the bucket.
On the way to the basket.
And that's a good move on the part of
Counter.
Brian
Number
Martin.
1.
At ang foul ay laban sa numero 1 or 0-1. John C. Borjal.
On Jason Buenaventura.
Actually, 0-1 yung shorts niya pero 0 yung likod niya. Na tayo nalilito.
3-point play for Brian Martin.
Ang uno si Joshua Zamora. Okay, yan si Joshua. May hawak ng bola. Trying to move in. Natapik yung bola. Recovered by a teammate. At Silvera. Comes Lactum Red. Bago na bola. Salaksak. Number 27.
And score!
Brian Martin. At told ang ating nababatid kanina pa. So far nakita natin dito sa last block to Brian Martin at Jet Alcantara. Mukhang sanay maglaro. Mukhang
And there was a
hindi na natin sinasabing mukhang nagbababa.
Numero 17. Kiro Amirati coming in. Napalitan niya si Jason Buenaventura.
And there's going to be another turnover. By the way, the Lactum Red team is coached by Rez Cortez.
And I still have to see if Bembol Rojo is there on the other side para mag-coach sa Snaku Green. Hindi natin matanaw si Coach Bembol. Tahimik lang yan, nakaupo. Nagsasolve ng crossword pass. Tapig pa palabas and it will go para sa Bete.
Bounding position that time pero nahabol niya yung bola nung ito'y bumaba.
Star Olympics 2002, thanks our team sponsors. Selena Orange, Green Blue, Lactum Red, Samsung Silver, Snaku Green, Surf White,
And there was a foul!
Touch Mobile. Rex Cortex.
Richard Arellano. Number 52.
Kaso ang unang free throw ni John C. Borjal. He drew the second foul of Jet Alcantara. At mukhang yun dapat ang plano of attack nitong Snaku Green Club. No? Talagang dapat atakihin lang yung gitna. Try to get itong si Alcantara into foul trouble. Dahil yun ang matchup problem nila sa larong ito.
Well, ito si Alcantara now on the offense. Sasalaksak, no foul call there.
At kitang-kita ang
Dahil mahanap si Joshua ng charge doon eh. No credit. 2 minutes 15 seconds. First half.
3-point shot. Wala pa tayong nakikita ang gano'n at wala pa rin.
Wala nga tayong nakita pa. Good
2
side
minutes.
step. Pero medyo
2 minutes.
asiwa sa pagbitaw. Yan si Brian Martin.
2 minutes left on the first half.
3 puntos.
John C. Borjal, pinasok na yung sa loob. Balik sa labas kay Genova. Christopher Genova. So look now, lamang na ngayon ng tatlo ang Snaku Green.
Half a minute remaining. Alcantara, nakuha yung air ball din sa ilalim at siya'y pinagtulungan. Contained dito kay Alcantara. Nice looper.
Nice spin by Brian Martin.
5 seconds remaining in the quarter. Alam ko ng Snaku Green.
Hindi.
Hindi.
And they should be happy to go into the locker room with a 1-point lead.
After the first half,
Yeah, it's on, man.
Somebody answers the phone.
Hello, Philippines. It's time to take a break from all the action of the Star Olympics 2002 to make way for Touch Mobile's Touch and Tell.
You can text in your answer to our questions with your name and win SIM packs from Touch Mobile. Send your answers to 0916-847-3852, 0916-847-3854, 0916-847-3855.
And here is my Touch Mobile Touch and Tell question.
Touch Mobile has the unique voice platform, but who is the Latin male singer whose unique voice was heard during the World Cup? A. Ricky Martin, B. Jono Gibbs, C. Will Smith. Stay tuned for more Touch Mobile Touch and Tell dito sa Star Olympics 2002.
Welcome back. Second half ng
and
junior
learn to
game
forgive
between
one another.
Snaku Green and Lactum Red. At partner, base sa nangyari ng Persat, anong obserbasyon mo dito sa laro ko so far?
Wala, pansin natin, meron tatlong mahusay na player itong Lactum Red, no?
Tinira mula sa three-pointer.
Blanco, Alcantara, at itong si Martin. Nagpiti si Alcantara on the follow-up.
21, third foul.
It will be the third on Jet
Third foul,
Alcantara, and that's
21,
trouble
third foul.
para sa Lactum Red. Pero alam mo, pansin natin na Bob, medyo nahihirapan magdala sa loob ng bola itong Lactum Red. Meanwhile,
Pumito si Rep. Sinabi
Traveling.
traveling na naman. Alam mo kung ito na gawin natin? Bigyan na lang natin sila ng tigi-tigisang bola para hindi sila nag-aatawa.
Okay.
Pwede ba yun? Ay, pwede.
stop ba?
Oo, tuloy-tuloy talaga yan hanggang mamaya.
Three-pointer yan.
Missed shot from outside, follow up by Alcantara Malaran. Ngunit may nakalambitin. Siya'y tinawagan ng foul.
Number 22. Third foul on number 22.
Clock keeps running. Paatras at pupunta tayo past the 11-minute mark. 15-minute halves lang po tayo dito sa junior basketball.
Actually, after a high-scoring first half, Bob, medyo na umagal ang pace ng scoring upang yung hangin ng ating mga manlalaro hindi ganun katibay. Dahil, siyempre, hindi man natin inaasahan na they're in super shape dahil hindi naman talaga ito ang kanilang ginagawa, kundi hilig lamang ito.
That's right. Saka alam mo, kahit yung panayang ensayo mo sa gym, iba rin yung takbo ng takbo. Kakapating ka pa rin ng hangin kahit na sabihin natin nasa kondisyon ka sa loob ng gymnasium. Or rather ng
12 second shot.
fitness center. Ito, nasa loob.
Medyo nakanakaw
22 again.
Nicky Sandoval.
22.
It's been a standout for Snaku Green.
Nico Sandoval.
James
And
Blanco.
there's a foul.
Nice move, ba?
Oo. At least naka-icebreaker na itong Lactum Red in the second half.
Here's Blanco trying to set up himself. Mintis yung jump.
At walang transition defense itong Lactum Red. Tuloy-tuloy.
Kaya mahina yung layup.
And there was a foul.
Na naging
Motion for making the free throw at pumasok nga. 2-point ball game.
Are need to leave us out of the playing court.
pati yung floor director, pinagdiskitahan ni Smokey.
So the violation is going on top with clothes on.
Yes, bawal nga daw.
Joshua, binaba ang bola.
Mahigpit na yung pinagbabawal. Here's Joshua, nice spin.
Pinaikot-ikot.
Nakarangan.
Hindi
Gandang depensa rin dito sa Lactum Red. Medyo hesitant yung Verde Tumira. Pero ito, nagkaroon tayo ng at least deliberate na plano. John C. Borjal scoring.
Oh, nice pass. Brian Martin capitalizing dahil medyo nahuli po ba ang depensa
Brian
ng
Martin.
Snaku Green.
Score is
And still, we're
25
tied.
all.
25 all na.
Oh,
Joshua,
ang sabi ni Red.
nagawan, but there's a whistle.
Foul on number 1. Oh, nako.
Oh, there's gonna be a technical.
Computation. So,
Tama,
Only
tama.
for this.
yung mahalaga pa rin yun kahit paano.
Talaga.
Medyo dikit nga yung labanan. Ito na yung finishing segment.
Well, wala. Agawan sa rebound. Ay, si Sandoval, nakikipaglaban ng husto dun sa ilalim.
Tabla pa rin tayo, Bob.
Jump shot, Joshua, wala. Follow up, wala rin. Para kay Moreno, binato sa kabila.
At
And that's
hindi
a
nasalo.
missed opportunity para dito sa Lactum Red. Tied score pa rin tayo. 2 minutes remaining.
Res Cortez starting to worry now because his team hindi nakakakuha ng hindi na pagsasamantalahan yung mga pagkakataon na ibinibigay sa kanila ng Snacko Green.
Joshua, nandun sa malayo.
A minute and 40 remaining.
Jump shot ni Joshua, rims out.
Another,
Bato kagad ni Alcantara, partner.
another fast break attempt.
There was a foul committed by number 6.
Pero naagaw and Brian Martin committing the foul.
Itong Lactum Red, no? Nandyan na yung mga pagkakataon at nasasayang lang eh. No?
Pero sabi nga natin, yung conditioning ng players medyo hindi buo. Kaya nahirapan silang magsitakbo. Kanina, bumababa pa lahat. Ngayon, isa o dalawa na lamang.
Nice
Sandoval.
move by Sandoval, kaso hindi rin na-shoot. Jump shot. Para kay Moreno, wala pa rin. So, here's Blanco. We know that he can control the ball.
Oo.
Binubulahaw siya nitong si Moreno. Tries it from outside. Medyo questionable yung decision na yun. Pwede pa ikutin eh.
50 seconds to go in the ballgame. Alcantara with the steal.
Not only are most of the players here arm weary, leg weary na rin. Nakikita mo tumitigil pa. And there's Alcantara who had some rest in the first half.
Oh, what a shot by Alcantara giving the lead to Lactum Red and a steal.
Ang sabi ni referee,
Attempted, pero
Attempted, hindi na
steady.
kompleto.
the score is 25-27 with 34 seconds left.
Snacko Green will now try to go for the equalizer.
Joshua, walang pinasahan sa ilalim.
Well, there's a 24-second shot clock. So, pwede bang medyo drain nitong Lactum Red yung shot clock.
And James Blanco knows it all too well. Looks at the scoreboard and looks at the shot clock. Makikita niya, may diferensya. 5 seconds nga pagkakaiba.
2-point lead.
Ito si Blanco.
Alam kaya niya na yung shot clock.
Alcantara. Jumper.
Yes, that should be the insurance
With 7
basket.
seconds left.
Yes, it is going to be the game winner.
And there was a foul committed by James
And
Blanco.
quick foul.
4 seconds to go.
Bakit sila ang nag-foul? Gusto kong malaman. Pero 4 seconds na lang, so that would probably render
Warning penalty. Warning penalty.
the event moot.
Wala pang penalty.
4 seconds left.
I still don't know why
And there
they're
was a
fouling.
foul.
With 1 second left. That should be a one ball game for
And they
Lactum Red.
called it Bobby Lara.
At least pupunta yung bola uli sa kanila.
Well, Lactum Red will finish off their stint here in the Star Olympics 2002 Juniors basketball competition with a win and 5th place.
Meanwhile, Nico Sandoval missing the free throw, pero yung mananalo rito ay yung Lactum Red.
At yung nagtataka ko, medyo nababad yung mga players sa Snacko Green. Pero yun pala, nalaman natin, talagang kulang sila ng player.
Actually, both teams medyo short-handed sa kasalukuyan.
Snacko
And
Green.
that's the final
Diba?
score. Lactum Red winning
Okay,
over
Lactum
Snacko
Red,
Green and
sorry.
taking
Lactum
5th
Red.
place dito sa junior
My
competition.
mistake. Lactum Red po ang nanalo.
Balik tayo rito sa Star Olympics 2002 at ngayon dumako tayo sa Play for Third dito naman sa
naglalaro
Junior
pa ng mga
Division.
kaibigan si
Ang
Kobe
maglalaban ng
Bryant,
Celine
na
Orange
naging
at
long hair.
Clean Blue. Ako pa rin si Bob Navales kasama si Butch Maniego.
At sabi mo nga ba, battle for 3rd place din sa Juniors division ng basketball. At well, meron tayong mga pamilyar na pangalan na hindi
One
pa natin alam kung maglalaro sila, pero kung makikita natin sila sa court, ay babanggitin natin.
Si Carlo Munoz would be playing a good basketball game. Pero si Rodel Belayo ang inaasahan ng malaki dito po sa Clean Blue. Doon naman sa kabila, medyo kalat-kalat. Well, Chess Francisco has been known to play a good game. Adrian Albert too. Pero bibigyan natin ng konting edge yung Clean Blue dito sa labanan na ito, partner.
Okay, at ang mga nasa sahig, pag-aaralan pa natin yung mga pangalan. We have Boy Tukizon, si Wahoo Soto, Rodel Belayo is there. And then we also see number 15, that's Nino Alejandro.
Wahoo Soto scoring first.
Also, Donnie Evangelista. Yan ang kumukompleto sa lineup ng Clean Blue.
Si Boy Tukison, natural, number 2.
Oo.
At Nino Alejandro, numero 15.
Jumper from the side from Nicky Patricio, rimmed out.
Kuha ni Nino ang bola. Papasa sa numero 9 na dumribble sa paa niya pero na-recover. Looks like
Rodel
Rodel
Belayo.
Belayo.
Oo. One Nick Bondok with the steal. And bringing the ball up for Celine Orange, we have RK Bagatchin. And there's a bad pass. And a counter steal.
Ito yung numero 23. Sasagana. Royce Roselo.
Siguro idol niya si Michael Jordan.
In all probability, yes.
Sa Clean Blue nga, may 23 din.
So, meron. Si Tristan Nepomuceno, whom we're going to see later. At buo ng lineup na binanggit natin kanina sa Clean Blue, numero 13. Yan si Donnie Evangelista. Lagay ako ng lagay ng numero sa kaliwa. Meron pala sa kanan.
Oo nga naman.
Okay. Ito ang numero 23 sa kabila, si Royce Roselo going all the way for the layup.
At kung may forma.
At saka yung Samsung. Meron pa, Lactum.
Yes.
At syempre, major sponsor, Touch Mobile.
Some pressure being applied by RK Bagatching and he forces the steal.
Ito si RK na sagasaan. Pero sumagasa ang tumumba.
Wow, Soto picking up the foul.
He's still alive, ladies and gentlemen. At mukhang sarap na sarap si Tita Tessie, Celestina. Pinakain ni Tita Tessie. Parang mainit.
Bounce pass.
Oh, that's
Nice.
a tough move by Royce Roselo.
Parang
Nice
pinapasa
reverse.
ka ni Tita Tessie.
Mala Jordan.
Yung numero.
Ayaw na makita mo.
6'4".
Parang yung bansa.
Yung Bansan Jordan.
Wahoo Soto.
Hindi na naman pumasok. Na-rebound ni Boy
Boy to...
Tukizon. Follow up.
Yes, 2 points.
And
Boy
score.
Tukizon stand.
Okay, RK Bagatching. Organizing. At ito ang si Roselo.
Na napansin natin, mahusay sumaksak. At yun, pinakita
Number
niya muli.
23, Roy.
Kanyang kakayahan. 10-8 ang ating score. 6.5 minutes remaining in the first half.
Ito si Wahoo. Indoors, missed it. Gets the follow-up. It still doesn't fall. Hawak pa rin niya yung bola.
Rebound. Sabi nga natin, siya yung mukhang matangkad. Dito sa labanan na to. Siya yung malaki.
Wahoo.
Substitution.
I'm not sure kung saan siya sa lineage eh. I think siya yung anak ni Maru kay Ali. Pero
Could be.
i-verify natin yun. Ha?
Val.
Ah, kay Val. Ah, okay, kay Val.
Okay.
Ano pa ng anak ni Maru kay Ali? Binata na. Miko. Okay, si Miko yun. Tama. O yun, alam na natin. Thank you, Arlene.
Alam niya, medyo marami-rami yung Soto Brothers na.
Titingnan siya ng masama na yung
Ni Arlene Tolibas. This is a friendly game. Pumasok.
2-point lead now for Clean Blue. RK Bagatching with a shot. 3-pointer.
3 points.
Giving the lead back to Celine Orange.
At 13-12 na ang score.
Nice
Nino
pumante.
Alejandro.
Nino Alejandro.
Pero in and out yung kanyang tira. Ito na uli si RK. Found the hole pero nabulahaw dun sa dami ng mga kamay doon.
Wow, Soto trying to go coast to coast.
Ang sabi ng referee ay makas ang bola. 19 seconds to shoot the ball.
Okay, at baseline inbound ito. At tatapik yung bola pa palabas.
12
Okay.
seconds to shoot the ball.
Four minutes left here in the first quarter. Here's RK Bagaching once again.
Bit-bit.
RK Bagaching.
Bagatsing nailing it. 15-12.
I think if he was about 3 inches taller and still in high school, he would draw attention from college scouts.
Kaalisin ko sa showbiz to.
No power problem. Kakaunti ang player nila eh.
Mm-hmm.
Compared to Clean Blue na talagang mga full force dahil kanina papalit na palit ng tao eh.
That's right.
Oh, steal by number 12. That's Paulo Gabriel.
And Gabriel scores with a foul. Nasa free throw line para sa bonus. Itong si Paulo Gabriel made the conversion earlier right before the timeout. 20-15 ang score at nakakalamang na itong Clean Blue. Bonus free throw does not fall. At pupunta sa Celine Orange ang possession. Well, maybe trying too hard is this gentleman, number 23.
Si Rotelo. And now Clean Blue is seizing control of the ball game. They're on top by 7. Oh, Bagaching is blocked. Mukhang inaabangan na siya ngayon ng depensa ng Clean Blue sa ilalim.
Well, lahat pumupunta na nga sa kanya. That is correct. Samantala, ito na naman.
Follow up by Paulo Gabriel.
Buzzer beater attempt does not work para dito sa numero 9 na si Aaron Concepcion, and we will be moving into the second quarter, or rather the second half, with a score of 24-15 in favor of Clean Blue. I think there's maybe just 1 or 2 players. Isa lang nga, na nasa bench na
The
nakikita
presence
natin.
of Matt Ranillo, the third, dun sa bench ng Celine Orange.
Si Matt the
At
third.
Tirso Cruz,
Sa kabila
the
si
fifth.
Tirso the third.
Tirso Cruz, the third.
Pinakilala ni Smokey the fifth.
Sa bench naman ng Clean Blue.
Ever since he appeared in the limelight, it's forever a mystery yung pagkasabi sa kanyang pip. Bakit pip? Samantala siya third.
Tirso Cruz, the third.
Nino Alejandro,
The third. The third.
over to Boy Quizon. Balik kay Nino. At binanggit nga natin kanina, partner, yung manpower complement ng Clean Blue, medyo mas marami. Lamang na lamang dito. Although itong ang skill ng RK Bagaching, kapapansin mo talaga. Juan Mig Bondok missing a follow-up. Punta kay RK, balik-balik. In peace. But there was a foul.
Question of foul. And
Foul number 6.
Juan Mig Bundok just can't believe he can't buy a basket. Foul goes against Clint Albert.
Well, as in the case of most of the younger basketball players, may tendency para iiwas sa hoop eh.
Oo.
May showtime tendency pa rin. Pwede mong idiretso yan at makukuha mo pa rin yung foul just the same. Or maybe have a better chance at scoring. Pero walang kaduda-duda. Nandun yung skill dun sa bata.
And they
8
call 8
seconds.
seconds.
8 seconds.
Hindi na itawid ng Clean Blue. So first blood drawn by Celine Orange, but they're still facing an 8-point deficit.
Nasa second half na tayo. 24-16.
Gahanap pa rin sila ng paraan makabalik.
Those shots, may pag-asang pumasok pero kung maganda-ganda lang yung forma pagtira. That's a bad pass. Boy to Quezon grabbing it dun sa front court na nila. So that's 2-on-2 right now. Quezon jumps sa pass. Alejandro missing. Tapik ng bola at nakuha ng numero 6 ng Blue. Yan si Clint Albert. Cross-court pass. Here's Boy 2. He's open. For 3. Missed it. Well, ito yung numero 2. Si Andrada. Medyo na papunta pa dun sa likuran.
And they're finally able to get it across the line.
Just barely beating that violation from that court. RK Magaching scoring there. At Medipass plastic strip, the official plastic strip.
And a missed three-point attempt by Celine Orange becomes a fast break layup for Wahoo Soto at the other end.
Well, yung control ng boards, magiging factor to para sa Celine Orange. Kung titira sila sa labas, magiging concern nila yan sa ilalim eh.
And Royce Rosello missing a three-pointer as well. Actually, the biggest factor right now, yung legs eh. Dahil mukhang pagod na itong iilang manlalaro na Celine Orange with about 10.5 minutes still remaining here in this ball game.
Well, the first thing that goes pag wala na yung legs is the fast break. So, unang-una dyan eh. Ang solusyon ng mga coaches dyan, actually, lakarin mo yung bola eh. Pagdala mo yung bola, lakad.
Saka imbis na sumasaksak sila, they're settling for the jump shot.
Nino Alejandro.
Nino Alejandro, kapatid ni Rachel. Anak ni Haji. Ito si RK Bagaching. Nice move.
RK Bagaching. 2 points.
Patting the lead further.
Here's Nino Alejandro. Sinusubukang agawan ni Bagaching dun sa midcourt. Cross-court pass. Wahoo Soto, jumper. Wala. At
So
dun
big
sa ilalim.
defensive rebound there by Clint Albert.
Actually, si Rodel yung nag-follow up ng kapos.
Okay.
Tapos ito, sasalaksak. The layup. Si Wanmik finally nailing one.
And he's so happy about it.
One big bundok with one big basket.
Oops. God.
Actually, the pass,
Wow.
yung player ng Clean Blue sa kanyang kape.
Sapatos masyado.
There's Rodel Velayo once again. Ito na si Bagaching.
Galayo. Source. 2 points.
5-point lead para dito sa Clean Blue.
Ayan.
And Orange trying to catch up. At papasok.
Aaron Concepcion. Si Aaron Concepcion nagpapasab.
Hinihingal na. Hinihingal na siya.
Only the final score left to be determined here.
That's it. That's right. Pero may steal pa rin. Yung
Royce.
Orange,
with a
Celine
big
Orange.
pass At pumasok.
pasok yung layup. But coming in maybe a bit too late. Although may pag-asa pa. 39 seconds remaining. Just 2 possessions. Ang pinagtatalunan dito.
It is hard considering
Yung Martires.
they were able to force a
At mobile na
turnover.
lang ang iniintay at lalakad na.
I'm sure they were able to catch some breath. Kaya lang, walang mangyayari. Kung mag-uubos lang sila ng oras, layo nitong tira to. That doesn't work.
That was the last gasp effort, so to speak.
Oh, and here's foul.
I think it would have been orchestrated a bit better kung
Second
na-discartehan ng
foul,
konti ni RK Bagaching yan. Eh, no?
Nicky
Wala,
Pat.
kulang lang talaga ng tao.
With 19 seconds
At yung
left.
coaching staff ng Blue, Clean Blue, medyo nagtatawa-tawa na.
Boy Quezon played well in the first half, but hasn't really been fielded back in itong second half.
7-point lead. Looks like the ball game para sa Clean Blue. At third place ang matatamo itong team na ito dito sa junior division.
Akala mo, 0-1.
Foul will be on Ichi Manuel. Eight seconds left before the conclusion of this game.
Which is actually officially over. Coming up yung laban na naman sa third place dun sa senior division. Maglalaban dun Samsung Silver at saka Surf White. Meron pang foul eh.
Second foul, number 01.
One last heave for, they call it a game at yan na, tapos na.
And that's it, mga kaibigan.
Final score is 37-30. Clean Blue taking third place dito po sa Junior Division ng Star Olympics 2002.